Wagwan goodies, today I am going to be making some curry conch. So here I have some beautiful conch, 6 of them, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these conchs prepared. So to make them nice and tender, what I'm going to do, I'm going to slit them in two and I'm going to beat them. Basically going to get them tenderized by beating them. You can use a bottle, whatever you have, something strong and sturdy to pound these. Beat them, and let them get nice and tender. And we're gonna cut them up, season them up, and curry them up. So as you can see, goodies, I kind of cut them in two, and now I'm going to just get these tenderized. If you don't have one of these, see if you can find like a wooden dowel or something sturdy to get them and beat them and just get them tenderized. So we're just gonna tenderize these off camera and come back. Alright goodies, so as you can see, I'm done tenderizing my conch meat, and now I'm just going to cut them up in pieces and then we're going to season these. All right, okay goodies, so wash off my conch and I cut them up. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna season. So I'm adding a little bit of Maggi chicken seasoning, my turmeric, onion powder and garlic powder, and I'm just letting my ancestors guide me with the seasoning, but about a teaspoon each. And this is my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going in with some garlic pepper powder, and a little bit of paprika, just to give it a little smoky taste. This is smoked paprika. And of course, I'm going to go in with my curry, but I'm not adding the curry. I'm adding the curry to the oil, so I burn the curry in the oil. So I'm just gonna rub this in. So goodie, I've added a pepper and some garlic, and I'm adding the curry. So we're just gonna let this burn just a little bit, and then we're going to add our conch. So just toss it around for a couple seconds. We'll burn the curry, but you don't want it to get bitter, okay? So just toss it around just a little bit. So the curry, hot pepper, and the garlic, toss it around for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to add our conch meat. Alright, so now we're going to add our conch meat. Beautiful. And now we're going to toss this around for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to add some water to cook it. And it is not done here. We have more seasoning and stuff to prepare to put on our curry conch. So just stay tuned. I'm adding some pimento seeds. Just toss it around, and then we're gonna add some water. So I have enough water goodies to cook my conch. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover it and leave it to simmer. Okay goodies, so things looking good so far. As you can see, I add some more water to the pot because the conch wasn't cooking, but it's nice and tender now. So this water should cook it. I went ahead and I add a piece of thyme, and I'm going to be adding some more seasoning as I promised before. So over here I have some bell peppers and some green onion that I will be adding to this. So I'm just going to make the water go down a little bit more, and then I'm going to add my onion and my bell peppers. And you can just taste the pot and see if you need anything more. If you need salt, or if you need like a bit more seasoning, you can top up with a little bit of Maggi seasoning, or if you have a Maggi cube. But so far it tastes good. No salt needed, no seasoning needed. So I'm just gonna allow it now to cook down until the gravy is nice. Let me know goodies what you think about the recipe so far. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Remember, if you do not subscribe to the channel as yet, please subscribe, man. I have a lot more amazing recipes coming out. Alright? So look a flash up going on the stove. Don't watch that, or I'll clean up after. So I went ahead and I added the bell peppers and the green onions. So I'm just going to leave this open, make it cook down. Okay? Look at that beauty. Nice and delicious. So I'm going to dish some out with my white rice, and I'm going to let you see how this is looking awesome and delicious. Let me know what you think about the recipe, my curry conch. Okay, goodies, so I dished it out. My white rice and some coleslaw, cabbage and carrot. And that's what my curry conch and white rice is looking like. As you can see, looks delicious. And I'm going to dig right into this right now. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I have more amazing recipes coming. Until next time, what good.